So we start with the global market news update today. Overnight in the US, the S&P 500 rose to a fresh record on Tuesday, gaining 0.25% to 5732.93 points, while the blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.2%, also closing at a new record of 42,208.22 points. The Nasdaq Composite added 0.56%, powered by shares of chipmaker Nvidia. Shares of artificial intelligence darling Nvidia climbed nearly 4% after a regulatory filing showed that CEO Jensen wrapped up his sales of the chipmaker stocks for the time being. Oil prices steady as China's stimulus hope fade. US crude stockpiles fall. Gold hits a record high on Wednesday, boosted by a softer US dollar and the hope of more interest rate cut, while investors look for a new signals for the Federal Reserve interest rate trajectory. Now, coming to the Indian market update, we see that Nifty closed around 63 point positive today, that is around 0.25%. And the support level for tomorrow would be around 25,756, followed by 25,691. And the resistance level would be around 26,130, followed by 26,189. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 133 point positive, that is around 0.25% positive, and the support level would be around 53,489, followed by 53,489, and the resistance level would be around 54,519, followed by 54,654. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 385 point negative, that is around 0.63% negative, and the support level would be around 57,600, followed by 56,848, and the resistance level would be around 63,712, 63,016, followed by 64,321. Now coming to the small cap closed around 82 point negative, that is around 0.42% negative, and the support level would be around 19,063, followed by 18,942, and the resistance level would be around 19,682, followed by 19,749. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunity in alcohol sector, retailing sector, FMCG sector, telecom sector, agriculture sector, and aviation sector. And top deliveries we see in photographic product sector, non-ferrous metal sector, abrasive sector, iron and steel sector, crude oil sector, agriculture sector, and power sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. Performance review so far is auto stock basket performed around 5.10%, private bank performed around negative 0.47%, Tata Group performed around 5.64%, and financial services stock basket performed around 7.28%.
As today market was positive, so we'll be avoiding the fresh entry in ETFs, and we'll be deciding tomorrow if by seeing market performance whether it is negative or positive. So as per the ETF turning into Nifty turning into negative, then the strategy which we are using will be entering the ETFs, and then if the market is into positive, then we'll be avoiding the ETF entries. So as per today, Nifty has closed above 60%, 60 points. So we'll be avoiding the entry in ETFs.